Welcome to another Van Tour Tuesday. Come on up. As you can see, we've got the pop top installed on top of this van. It stays nice and cool up here. We've got the Maxxair fan mounted in the roof, as well as the Nomadic X2 air conditioning unit. These walls are super well insulated, and if you do want some privacy, these will just zip right up. These are really well insulated. And if you want some fresh air, that will open up. There is a screen so bugs don't get in. It stays nice and cool up here. It does have the lights up top. All right, now for the rest of the van. I can't wait to show you everything that we've included in this van. Let's start outside. All right, as you can see, we've got the Nomadic awning mounted to the roof rack on this van. This does extend out electronically with the push of a button. It does have the lights up top illuminating it while it's out here, in addition to the exterior lights, which are mounted all the way around the van. You've got the amp research power step mounted here. When the door is closed, that will retract back up, and then when that door opens, it comes out. It does have a light on it to illuminate that at night. Around the side, we've got the Owl Van's Monster Box that's mounted to the B2 bike carrier. And on the other door, we've got the ladder tire carrier combo. Up top on the van, so the Weeboost is on a retractable base so that you're not going to hit things with that. There's 400 watts of solar mounted to the top of the pop top, so we didn't compromise on solar power at all with this van. We've got the Black Rhino upgraded rims, as well as the Ridge grapplers on this van. And it does have the Agile off-road lift kit on there. Front of the van, we've got the CA-tuned bumper mounted to the front. That does have the Warren winch and the D-rings on there as well. And let me show you the inside. Starting at the front of the van, we have swivel seats on both the driver and the passenger. That's going to allow those seats to swivel backwards. The Van Wife headliner shelf with the optional curtain. The Lagoon table mount is right there. The tabletop for that is over here. We've included this mount for it here so that it can Velcro in and stay nice and secure while you're driving. We've got the double jump seat that folds down and just pops right up, and that Lagoon table will just swivel around. This folds away super easy, giving you extra storage space when that's not in use. There is a fridge freezer combo in this van. A tiled shower with the Laveo Dry Flush Toilet inside. In the back, as you can see, we've got the dinette back here. Under here, we've got a 20-gallon over the wheel well tank, so 20 gallons of water in there. This side, you've got the water heater. That's a 4-gallon electric water heater. Under this one, we've got electrical components, and in here, 800 amp hours of lithium ion battery. All right, this does convert into a bed, and I'm gonna show you how. Look at that bed, we're just snug as a bug. All right, up top we've got tons of overhead storage. We've got the 24-inch mounted TV. The Velcro is to hold it in place while you're driving, so that's not swiveling around. Tons of storage, drawers, cabinets, and underneath the sink, we have included a custom sink cover for this van, which is made out of the exact same piece of acacia butcher block that the countertop was made out of. Last but not least, the extended countertop. Look at all that space. All right, well, thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.